afternoon mga palangga. So, magluluto tayo kasi hapunan na dito, hapunan time. So, yung hapunan natin for tonight is sobrang dali lang. Magpa-fried rice tayo kasi meron tayong leftover na rice. And then, lalagyan natin ng itlog. And then, yung parang ulam namin is ito, hotdog. Kasi sabi ni Mr. na kailangan natin tong gamitin, itong hotdog. And then, lalagyan din natin ng piece yung ating fried rice. So, yun. Sobrang dali lang. Meron akong itlog dito na nilagyan ko siya ng pepper and salt. Mr. is not feeling well.
I'm alright, I've just got a headache. I've had it all since last night. Yeah. I just feel a bit weary now. I'm probably short of something low.
Excuse me. My love for you is very abundant. Yes. No postman.
Yeah.
So, ilalagay na natin yung itlog. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo si Mr. Look. You okay?
That's a bit better.
Are you finished in the workshop?
Yeah, I've done enough today. I've done a lot today.
Oh.
We've got all, well, we've done all the winches.
So, nag-stick siya sa bottom mga palangga. So, lalagyan na natin tong ating rice. Hindi karamihan yung rice natin. Pero that will be enough. I'm pretty sure. And then, i-add natin yung ating cheese. So, while yung fried rice natin, naka-fried pa, hihiwain ko yung hotdog natin. Oops. How is it? Sino kaya yan? Sabi, that's my family. Then, meron tayong spring onions dito. So, i-add natin. And I think, mga palangga, mainit na yung mantika natin. So, ipiprito na natin yung ating hotdog. I'm not sure if mainit na ba. Ay, hindi pa mga palangga. Hindi nga nagsiso. Oh! Ito na, nagsisimula na. And then, mag-a-add ako ng 2 eggs mga palangga. Pero nilagyan ko siya ng toyo. Yan. So, 4 eggs all in all yung nilagay ko dito. Mix lang natin. Halo-halo. I'm happy with it now. Ready na yung tea natin mga palangga. Pero si Mr. may ginagawa saglit.
A few minutes later.
Ready?
Yep. Numbers on now. It's emergency, it's a breakdown service, you said.
So, ito na yung hapunan natin mga palangga. Ito na yung finished product. Yan. Yan kay Mister. At yung akin. Let's eat! Kain! Kain tayo mga palangga.
The next day.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So, it's another day. And pupunta tayo sa ating greenhouse kasi magha-harvest tayo ng ating cucumber. Meron tayong isang cucumber dito na ready na siyang i-harvest. Yan o. Yan. So, ito lang yung bunga. May isang maliit pa dyan. Doon. Yan. So, isang plant lang yung tinanim natin. Pero, okay na yan para hindi masayang yung mga cucumber ba. Kaysa naman na magtanim kami ng maraming cucumber at hindi namin makain lahat, diba? So, anyway, kailangan nating i-transplant yung ating lettuce. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ang dami na. So, madami tayong magagawang salad niyan. And kailangan ko munang linisin yung bed natin kasi of course, maraming mga damo, mga palangga. Yan. And sabi ni Mr., itong nakapat na melon, itatapon natin yan kasi tingnan nyo naman, naging yellow sila. They don't look healthy, diba? Yan. And ito yung ating talong. They're doing well. At yung talong natin na isa, na sobrang cute. Nag-survive naman siya. Yan. And dito, sabi ni Mr. kung madami pang lettuce, pwede mo daw itanim dito sa front. And yeah, update nga din pala sa ating kamatis. Maraming bunga yung kamatis natin, oh. Yan, oh. Hindi pa sila hinog. Sus, masarap tong mga kamatis, mga palangga. Kahit na hilaw, sa amin, sa probinsya, kahit hilaw yung kamatis, pinipik namin. And then, yung ginagawa namin is, dinidip namin sila sa bagoong. Anyway, mga palangga, mag-i-start na tayo. First is, linisin natin tong bed natin. Yan. Mamaya na natin yan harvestin. So, ito na sila mga palangga. Nalinisan natin. Ito na yung madali ang paglilinis natin sa ating greenhouse. Yan. Mukhang malinis-linis naman. So, ngayon, ito na. Magta-transplant na tayo. Oops, be careful. Kasi fragile na yung box natin. Ito na sila mga palangga. Yan. Yan. And dito rin, nagtanim ako dito sa kabila. Sa front lang. Yan. Yan. Doon. So, ngayon, you're having a lunch.
Look at that. Are you cutting that one, darling?
There you go.
Whoa, look at that, Boris. We need to get some lettuce today and some tomatoes because ours aren't ready. We can have a salad. People say that cucumbers give you make you burpy. Win. The only reason for that is because when you have cucumber, if you take the green skin off, it will not bother you. It is the skin that gives you the and indigestion. What a fine specimen that for our first. Looks very familiar in size, doesn't it? To our last one we got last year. Oh, you're laughing. You need to water them in, Princess.
I know. They look
I
tired.
fed these because they look a bit. They were really green, and they're not as green now, are they?
No.
Maybe they don't like this our climate. I don't know.
I don't know, sweetheart.
Me neither.
But anyway, let's go. I'm hungry.
Yeah, come on then.
I'm very hungry.
Just leave this open a little bit.
Tapos akong kumain. Babalikan ko lang yung mga tinanim natin, mga palangga. Kasi kanina, nagmamadali talaga ako kasi sobrang gutom ko na. So, ngayon, didiligan natin sila kasi they're fading away. Sobrang tamlay nila, sabi ni Jan. So, kailangan ko daw silang diligan. Hala, tingnan nyo to mga palangga. Tingnan nyo. Anong nangyari? Sobrang tamlay na nila, oh. Yan. So, diligan natin. Yan. So, hininaan ko lang yung tubig kasi ayaw ko naman na ma-damage sila, no?
Later.
Tingnan nyo yan mga palangga. Dahil biglang umulan, ito na naman tayo. Sampay sa loob. And tingnan nyo, look. Wow! Shinib nila yung ano nila, yung mga tupa. Kinuna nila ng mga buhok ba? Yan, oh. Ang puputi nila tingnan dahil bagong shave sila. Let's go! Mag-grocery tayo mga palangga. It's so different na nag-iba na yung kulay ng sasakyan ni Jan. Yan! It's so different.
Yeah, it's very dark grey.
Very dark gray.
Special factory order.
But I think all you can see is black. But in person mga palangga, this is color gray.
That's grey.
Pero I still prefer the white one, honeys. I like the white one. Yeah, I really like the white one. You look good, hon.
No,
What?
no, not continued.
Are you ready?
I was ready. Mind that grey car behind.
So, are we going first to the fuel station?
No, we'll go to Aldi first.
Aldi first.
Have we got enough room in this boot for all your shopping?
You're paying the shopping today.
Well, I need one bag then.
Did you get the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm resting now.
You're resting
I'm on
now.
holiday now.
Are you? Nahihirapan si Mr.
The next day.
Hello! Hello mga palangga. So, magluluto tayo ng lunch. We will have an early lunch today kasi aalis kami ni Mr. Kasama ako kay Mr. para mag-flea pigeon. Flea target ba? Kasi palagi na lang niya talaga akong niyayaya. Pero, yun na nga. Wala akong time. So, ngayon, sabi ko, I have a bit of time. So, I can go with you. So, napasubo. Napasubo yung lola niyo. So, yung lunch natin, meron tayong leftover na sausage dito. So, gagamitin natin to. 3 sausages and itlog. And meron tayong muffin dito. Pasensyahan nyo na, nakapajama ako. Meron akong trabaho kanina. So, nag-start ako 7:30 till 10:30. I'm so lucky sa employer ko mga palangga kasi sa weekend, short hours lang talaga ako and hindi nila din ako binibigyan ng night. Day lang talaga. So, happy ako sa kung anong yung oras na ginagawa ko sa trabaho. And, yun. Ito yung suot ko kasi yun na nga, refreshen up ako and mas comfy to suotin. Sana ba yun si Mr.? Magsisimula na ba tayong magluto? So, hihiwain na natin yung hotdog. Namimiss ko na talaga yung hotdog sa atin. Yung pula ba, yung tender juicy. Ilalagay ko na din yung itlog ko. Kasi gusto ko kasi yung itlog ko na well done. Ayaw ko yung runny egg.
Look at that.
So, ito na mga palangga. Yan.
Whoa. This is going to be fun, isn't it? You put red on there.
Kain!
Let's see what's going to happen here. You're going to go bite into it. It's going to go
Yeah, bite.
everywhere, isn't it?
Bite, bite.
It might be safer just knife and fork it. Might it?
We're going! And this time mga palangga, I will try to shoot. Scary.
Nothing scary about it.
Umaambon mga palangga. Nako. Tingnan niyo yung view. So, paakyat tayo sa bukid. Oh! It's a narrow road. This is mga palangga. Kaya ayun. Isang sasakyan lang ang makaka. Very narrow road. So, ano lang talaga, isang sasakyan lang talaga yung makakadaan. So, you need to pull over.
What's that in road?
See, tingnan niyo. It's very narrow. Umuulan mga palangka. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung susutin ko kasi nagdala ako ng jacket, yung red jacket ko. Pero, ano ba? Dadalhin ko ba yung payong ko or hindi? Umuulan talaga siya. And sabi ni Jan, wag ko daw dalhin yung bag ko. Nagdala kasi ako ng maliit na bag. So, I think kung uulan mga palangga, hindi ko na kayo dadalhin. Pumunta lang si Jan sa counter mga palangga. Kung may mga naririnig kayo, yan yung putok ng shotgun. So, kung ayaw nyo yung mga ganyan, i-skip nyo lang to kasi probably, hindi ko alam kung how long this is or how long ako makakapag-vlog. Pero kung yun na nga, sabi ko kung ayaw nyo yung mga tunog ng baril, i-skip nyo na lang tong vlog na to. So, I'm not sure mga palangga if naririnig nyo kami kasi yung phone lang yung gamit ko. Hindi ko kasi dinala yung camera ko kasi baka umulan. Umaambon kanina. Kaya ayun.
This is the control. This is our personal counter. Every time the button is pressed, it adds one more onto this. So when we finish it in the day, we take this back to the clubhouse and they plug it in, they see how many targets we shot and the charges for that many. And that's it. Right.
Yeah. That will do. Oh dear. So every stand mga palangga, meron din silang mga hand sanitizer.
We have our own as well.
Yeah. So ito yung view from here.
Yeah, good view actually.
Good view.
1 hour later.
That's it. We're going home. No. My turn.
Right.
What?
The target that you will be shooting,
Yeah.
will be exactly in front of you, and all it'll do is go up, just up a little bit, and you'll see it. And all you point your gun at it and squeeze the trigger.
Really?
Yeah, it's quite close as well, you see. So
I know, but I'm scared.
what I'll do, I'll put open chalk through for you to make it easier.
What's open kick?
Just more spread, it gives you probably more satisfaction.
Tapos na kami mga palangga at yung left hand ko nangangalay talaga, and nag-try ako, pagpasensyahan nyo na wala akong footage kasi kailangan ko mag-focus as si Jan ayaw naman niyang mag-film. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung parang ito oh, pasensyahan nyo na yan. Nakikita ba? Sobrang red mga palangga. So I hope lang hindi siya mag-bruise kasi pula talaga. Pula siya. So, masakit pero nakaka-addict pala talaga mag-clay target kasi pag once na nakahit ka na isang target, parang gusto mo i-hit lahat ba, which is impossible kasi of course, practicing pa lang ako, but naka-hit ako ng 2 clay target and sobrang tuwa ko kasi hala, first time ko and naka-hit ako ng target. So, try and try. So, ito na, balik tayo sa ating normal duties. So, kung curious lang kayo wala namang nagtatanong, pero kung curious lang kayo kung pwede ba mag-shoot kahit walang certificate, sa shotgun, pwede ka mag-shoot kahit wala kang certificate as long as may kasama kang nagsusupervise sa'yo na may shotgun certificate. So, yun. Kaya, ayun, nakapag-shoot ako. And kung curious kayo kung anong gun or kung anong shotgun yung ginamit ko, hindi shotgun ni Mr. yung ginamit ko kasi yung shotgun ni Mr. sobrang laki, mabigat at mahaba siya sa akin. So, I cannot do like that. So, yung ginamit ko na shotgun is yung shotgun ng kanyang anak. Yung shotgun na yan, hindi na nila ginagamit kasi maliit siya eh. Yung shotgun na yan is ginagamit siya ng anak ni Mr. mga nung bata pa siya, mga 12-13 years old siguro. Maliit siya talaga compare sa gun ni Jan. Pero dahil maliit lang ako mga palangga, malaki pa din siya sa akin. And I am left-handed. And so, yun, sabi ni Mr. maghahanap tayo. Maghahanap tayo ng shotgun na medyo maliit sa'yo kung gusto mo talagang mag-try ulit. Nakaka-addict siya, lalo na pag may nahit kang target, okay naman. Pero, you need to be responsible talaga kasi it's dangerous.